Hey there, friends. Welcome back to Chronically Overdressed. I hope you guys are all doing very well, and I hope you are enjoying the start of summer. I'm not a huge fan of summer, but there are definitely some things that I really enjoy. I saw a couple of lightning bugs the other day, and I was so excited. We didn't have them in Germany, and we certainly didn't have them in Hawaii, so I'm really excited to actually see the lightning bugs again. So I'm very much looking forward to that. So, but of course, we have our Redbird vintage box today, and let's just go ahead and get right in. All right, let's see. What do we have here? I'm going to take kind of everything out in packages just so I can get rid of this box. So we can get this out of the way real quick. Okay, I think this will make it a little bit easier just to have everything out here, not going in and out of the box. So here is our first thing. We have another little scarf. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. This will be really great for summer styles, just kind of, wearing it back like that. Really cute. That color is gorgeous. And we've got our darling little bags here. And let's see what's inside here. Ooh, my goodness. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, so we have a little, oh, that's kind of dangerous. We have a little hat pin. That's really beautiful. This beautiful purple jewels of some sort on the top. Gorgeous. And that's a perfect size. That's a really great size for a platter hat or any larger hat. But I love that the tip of it isn't so huge. Sometimes hat pins tend to have these like big bulbous ends, and sometimes they can take away from the beauty of the hat, but this is really delicate and nice. I really love that. Okay, what do we have next? Oh, looks like we have a little compact. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I love it. I've seen so many of these on TikTok. It's got a beautiful little mirror, abalone on the front. That is gorgeous. I've seen so many of these different types of compacts on TikTok and Instagram, and they are just darling. And I know that there's ways that you can actually kind of refill these with your own powder. The problem is for me is that you have to add alcohol to it, and I'm not crazy about that. So, but I would definitely use this for the mirror aspect of it. I really like that. That's beautiful. It's nice and heavy too. That's gorgeous. Okay. Anything in here? I certainly don't want to miss anything. So, okay, we have this. Ooh, something sounds like it's moving around in here. I hope that isn't a bad sign. Oh my goodness. Wait, what are these? Are these little nameplates? What? Okay, I'm really confused. What does this say on the back? It says Shafford, Japan. These look like they would be little name plates. But how would you write on these? I'm assuming they're little porcelain. Okay, is there anything in here? I'm really confused. But I love them. I don't know what they are, but I love them. Yeah, they're just these little porcelain things that look like they sit up as if you would put them at a place setting with somebody's name on them, because they're not your your silverware holders or knife holders. I don't think. No, because they would sit at an angle like that, and that wouldn't make any sense. Okay, if you guys know what these are for certain, I think they're nameplates. I just don't know how you would write on them. There's nothing in here at all. It doesn't say anything. And let me see. Okay. Let's see if there's anything in here. It's wrapped in tissue inside the hat. Nope. Okay. Nothing in here. Gals, Sarah and Karen, I love these. I just don't know what they are. Help me out here. I know you guys will know. You've always been really good about telling me what certain things are, and I don't know what they are, but I love them. So yeah, let me know. Okay. So this one's not wrapped, but we have a gorgeous little beaded purse, which is stunning, and has a little kiss lock. Oh, okay, this is what they were talking about. They were saying that the beaded champagne bag has a lot of interior wear, and a tiny surprise. Oh, hello. But ton of life left. I agree. This definitely has some life left. Okay, where's this tiny surprise? Unless it's, oh, okay. Yeah, the interior of this is definitely kind of destroyed, but you know what? I might actually be able to fix that. And it has this darling little strap here. And okay, we have some ephemera in here. Oh my goodness. We have some little cards. So we have a little one for your shower, and it's written to or from, I don't know if it's to or from, but it's Laurette. I can't even see the name. I can't. Bernke, maybe? I don't know. Best of wishes, and may the book of life hold even greater joys in the years ahead for you. That's so cute. Okay, so these are little like greeting cards. Teeny tiny little greeting cards. So cute. Oh my gosh. A wedding gift. Just a remembrance with all good wishes for you. Cora. Oh my gosh. So these are all little gifts or little cards for this woman's wedding shower. Robert and Janet. And a gift for you from Mr. and Mrs. George Parent. Oh, and she wrote, okay. I was wondering what these were. So, sorry. There's, in the center of this one, it says $5. So she got $5 from that person. She got $100 from this one. And this one doesn't say. This one does not say. This one doesn't have anything written on. Oh, wait, here it is. Alma, Blanche, Ella, Eugenia, Alice, and Lydia. Okay, those are gorgeous names, by the way. I absolutely love those. And this one doesn't have one either, but look, there's something. Oh no, that's just the back of it. Okay. These are absolutely darling. So these must have been, they were in this little bag, and I mean, they must have just been placed in there as she stored this away. Oh, how darling. Oh, I love that. That is so cute. Okay, we are going to move on. Oh, we have another hat. Okay, looks like there's something else inside the hat. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's another hat. Lots of florals on it. I can't tell what flowers these are. Some look like pansies maybe. And then some netting on top. Not sure if this is my style, to be honest. Oh, but it is union made. That's cool. Yeah, I don't know. I always feel kind of silly with hats like this. Again, my head's kind of big, and my hair is very thick and heavy. So it's hard to wear hats that are just kind of sit on top of my head. But it is a darling hat. That is really beautiful. I like the netting and the flowers on it. That's gorgeous. Okay, what do we have here? So there's an item wrapped inside the hat. Goodness. Oh, we have another little perfume bottle. Yay, my other little guy has a friend now. Oh, does this mean I'm gonna have 2 genies? Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely darling. And he will go very well with my other little guy. I like the etching on it. It's really pretty. So delicate. Oh, I love that. Okay, well, this was very interesting. I liked this box a lot. A lot of different things. Not as much jewelry, which is okay, because as we all know, I have a lot of jewelry, so it's fine. But these have to be my favorite, and I really need to know exactly what they are. I hope you guys can come through for me, and help me figure this out, because I don't know. What's that? They're like wax pencils. I don't know what they're called. I'm losing my mind right now. Maybe you could write them with that. I don't know. Like, I can't imagine like dry erase was very big. These look like they're probably from the 50s or 60s. But that's what I'm thinking. Something like a dry erase where you can obviously, erase the names. You're not going to put anything permanent on there. But yeah, this is so fun. Those are my favorite, definitely. But this was a fantastic box. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. So that's all for today, and I've got a few videos coming up that I'm working on that I think you'll really like. And yeah, that's all. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.